Bring back my shell! I didn't steal your shell!
Guys, please stop. We have an emergency.
What are those voices? My hair!
That's what I'm talking about. The pattern.
The pattern!
Come on, Lisa is waiting for us.
Guys!
Lisa! Guys, did you hear what I am hearing?
Yes, a pattern!
What do you mean by that?
I don't know. Let's find out. But wait! 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's Fatima and Nicole?
How do I know? You look gorgeous, babe. How about me? You look so pretty too. Are we fading?
I think so. What's happening? What are we doing here? I don't know. Where are we?
Nature.
What are these voices?
And now, we will discuss the definitions and examples of the 7 types of pattern in nature. So let's all watch this.
Number 1, symmetry. A balanced arrangement where part of a mirror or repeated around the axis, like the wings of the butterfly or the petals of a flower. Plumeria pudica is also known as a bridal bouquet or white frangipani. It's a flowering plant with white petals and yellow center. This flower is commonly grown in gardens because of its elegant looks and long blooming season. It has 5 evenly arranged petals around the center. It's balanced petals arrangement because it is radial symmetry, as it can be divided into halves in many ways. Micaya is a fast-growing climbing plant who shows a bilateral symmetry because each leaf can only be divided into 2 halves, a single central line. The left and the right side of the leaf are mirror images of each other, and it makes a clear example of bilateral symmetry in plants. Number 2, fractals. Fractals is a never-ending, self-similar pattern where smaller parts look exactly like the whole, such as tree branches or lightning bolts. For example, the fern. The fern is the ultimate fractal, where every tiny leaflet is a miniature of version of the whole. By repeating this self-similar pattern, the plant maximizes its surface area to soak up sunlight in the dim shadows of the forest. Next is the tree branches. Tree branches are nature's cup. By repeating one simple splitting rule, at every size, the tree fills the sky with leaves using the least amount of energy possible.
Number 3, spirals. A curved path that winds around the central point, allowing compact growth in things like seashells and sunflowers.
Yesterday.
I do like that. Bring back my shell! I didn't steal your shell!
Guys, please stop. We have an emergency. I'll just get my bag.
Oh, it's a shell! Cherry, this is your shell. Cypricus rufa is a species of sea snail. The shells exhibit spiral patterns coiling around the central axis. This shape provides strength and efficiency of the snail's growth. That's my shell! Fingerprints are unique patterns of ridges in fingers. Many fingerprints have loops or whorls, which are spiral patterns. These patterns help identifying individuals. Fingerprints are used in security and crime solving. Each person's fingerprint is distinct like no other.
Number 4. Tessellation. Repeating geometric shapes that fit together perfectly without gaps or overlap. It's seen in honeycombs and dried mud. A cabbage shows tessellation because its leaves grow in a tight, repeating pattern around the center. Each leaf fits closely next to the others, covering the whole surface without gaps. Even though the leaves are not perfect geometric shape, they overlap and connect in an organized way. A pineapple skin has repeating diamond-shaped pattern. These shapes fit closely together and cover the fruit surface completely.
Number 5. Spot is a discrete patches of colors used in camouflage or signaling, previously found on leopards or ladybugs.
Croton plants are ornamental plants, also known for their colorful and patterned leaves. It belongs to a spot pattern because it has small yellow dots scattered on a green surface. These patterns appear repeatedly on the leaf, making a natural pattern design. Dracena tricolosa, also known as gold dust dracena, also belongs to a spot pattern because the leaves has mainly round, light-colored spots spread across the green surface. These spots repeat in different sizes and spread all over the leaf, also forming a natural spotted design.
Number 6. Stripes. Linear bands of color that help break up an animal's outline or regulate feet, such as on a zebra or tiger. This is snake plant. It features striped patterns, often horizontal light dark green bands, as an evolutionary adaptation for survival in its West African habitat. Given that leaves have striped, spot, or mottled patterns, often shade in white, cream, or yellow due to genetic variation.
Number 7. Waves. Repeating ripples or oscillation that move energy through a medium, visible in sand dunes or ocean surfaces. A sound wave is a large underwater bed form created when strong current shape loose sediment into rhythmic and troughs. So, it is classified as a wave pattern because it is possess a distinct periodic structure where each crease and valley repeats at regular intervals. So, this formation reflects a stable balance between the energy of flowing water and the movement of the sand bed.
A scale or a small wave shows a wave pattern because the water moves in a steady, smooth, and rotating motion. As it flows, it forms simple waves in the surface that continue in a regular, repeating along the stream. This repeating motion waves motion is why is it become a wave pattern.
Just for us, world belongs to us, no fuss. Moonlit skies, we're hand in hand. Wanderlust, we understand.